Good morning, everyone. Myself Shubham Shetty. Today we introduce our capstone project name, that is a spot welding machine by using microwave oven transformer. In this capstone project, there are mainly three members. Myself Shubham Shetty. Second one is Viraj Guru. Third one is Athurva Jadhav. In this spot welding machine, there are main component is microwave oven transformer. That is a pivotal innovation. That is a revolutionized way the various metal components are joined together, and their principle is based on the electric resistance welding.
Myself, Viraj Guru. In this project, we use the components like micro transformer, push button, glass fuse holder, copper bar, and 10 copper wire for micro transformer. We use modified the transformer due to get a high current output and low voltage.
Myself is Athur Jadhav. There are in our project there are some advantage and disadvantage. The first advantage is high energy output. Second one is fast welding. Third is consistent weld quality. And disadvantage are first one is limited joints, and second one is material limitation, and third one is thickness limitation.
In this our capstone project, there are mainly three applications. First one is metal fabrication and battery manufacturing, and to join the various components, metal components together. Thank you. Give opportunity to introduce our micro capstone project.